Yo, to all possible subscribers, this is a stick up. So press the button now before tack your pick up. If any war kick off in a dance hall, your radar goes a kick up. Press the subscribe button now before your dopey bat flick up.
So the video where I growing with the school youth, them a beat up the little boy and a kick him in him side and then thing it. A lot of people me are coming for it and a lot of people angry at it. And I know me not hear the right comment or see the right video. Because me have to wonder if the same people them in a Jamaica, yeah. Because me hear comment like some people have said the youth should have fight or if him weak. Some have said them would have go do this, boy if it did. Let me tell you this man. Enough people are going to big. So when me born and grow, yes, when the Dan give him son a gun, and him say, yo, we getting some new strap. And his son, the pan the veranda, because we used to call it the veranda. And we see Papa with all AK the 99, and let me tell you this, we have to say, and the Dan say, yo, oh, him look with it. We have to say, fit him, man. What you mean? What you mean? And you think that fit him, man. Yeah, man, fit him, man. You think I can say no fit him or come like, yeah, make a look of frowns. That's if in case police come in that place, then go say, you because your face look like you never stay good. Eh? And the same look youth when me know go school. And me tell you this, when you come tonight, oh, me know, oh, get to run. For some youth, yeah, where you then come from, then and to no chat foolishness. A last days now, generation of viper. If a 16-year-old or 15-year-old tell you say you ain't want you but up here, I'm going to name your food, you better believe him. Someone not attack up and go. You know, see type of pitney them, who no blind, who no idiot, who no have common sense. A uniform, who no make a trick, no? No make uniform trick, no? 30-year-old and them they hear they not bad again. The spirit of murder and them the people them and they look you them a do it and when me tell this them glad when them all know say yo them can make you dopey. When me born and grow, me hear you count then dopey. Count then dopey when you sit down. One day me see you a youth song and he ask another youth saying brother. And even another make your prime black him brother and ask say so how much dopey you got now? The man say I just 28. Man say 28, the man say I don't know on that. You know what age him did be 17-year-old. The dog say you wanna know on that 28 head. And the dog say you wanna know on that. So no top chat foolishness man. No for no what a man a chat on a grown. Me enough people talk about not go defend. When them the boy they come fear them no play. No watch them age, no make uniform trick no. No make uniform chicken. First of all, it start from the community because enough time you see same look you them done put gun at them and at times say you go and go like around this if you go bleach because you then tired and want look you them for watch their head back. You think you can say no and say if you no say farmer. Me not talk about every girl see no, me I talk about when me go because me know no love jump up on people. I experience me talk and me not talk off for years because somehow no grow no way. I saw look a pretty upcoming scheme when no group. That's why you can't run off for no more. You think then until my play pen.
Yo, to all possible subscribers, this is a stick up. So press the button now before tack your pick up. If any war kick off in a dance hall, your radar goes a kick up. Press the subscribe button now before your dopey bat flick up.